Hi folks, one of the things I've been working on over the past couple of weeks is for people who are really struggling with the rolling up the wall exercise, the roll downs, the standing roll downs, people who really can't get their low back to loosen up, is how do we get that segmental mobility into the lumbar spine? Because normally in clinic I'd be getting my thumbs in there, I'd be getting my heels in there, I'd be working the individual vertebrae and getting the little buggers to move. And when I can't get my hands on you, what are you going to do? So the humble tennis ball is my latest solution. And what I'm doing with that is you obviously don't want to put that directly under the back of your spine. So we've got the spinous processes, which is like the little knobbles that are at the back of the spine. But next to those, we've got the facet joints. And we've got the big thick muscles, the iliocostalis and longissimus, which sometimes prevent movement and keep things tight. So this exercise is to mobilise the spinal vertebrae and to help longissimus and iliocostalis to relax. So what I'm going to do is take the ball, I'm going to roll slightly onto my side, and I'm going to lodge the ball just above my pelvis into the big thick back muscles. So I'm just going to be on the side of a vertebra there. And then I'm going to mobilise that by using my leg. So I'm going to bring my knee up towards me, up and down like this, just sort of 5 or 6 times. But that's going to help me pivot over that side of that vertebra. Now I can do that with my leg, or if that's difficult, what I can do is use my hand and just rock it like that. And either seems to work just fine. And then I'm going to put that foot down, move the ball up 1/2 inch or so into the next vertebra. Same thing again, get it nice and lodged in position, and either with the hand or just with the leg, just work that up and down. And I can feel that the ball presses in more as I bring my knee up. So again, it's like having my thumb pushing into your back. And then, so what I'm going to do is just work my way up just to the bottom of the rib cage. So it's got 5 vertebrae there. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So ball on the right side of my low back again. Get in there, right knee up and down. Next position with the ball, right knee up and down. So you can see how that works. And then what I can do is to test that and make sure that I've got more mobility with one of the other spinal exercises. So whether that's toe touch, whether that's rolling up the wall, whether that's a seated roll down, any of those exercises. And what I'm looking for is whether my lower back feels more mobile. Even a side bend, all those sorts of exercises, pelvic hula, anything. Does my pelvis, does my lower back feel more mobile? And that's what this is for.